Bike maintenance tool comes with 19 tools for common road and trailside repairs, all encased in lightweight aluminum hard case. 7 hex wrenches, 4 spoke wrenches, Phillips and flathead, T25 driver, universal chain tool. 175 gram weight without included tool flask and 3.5 inch length. 6061 T6 aluminum frame, 6150 high tensile steel tools, and stainless steel and polymer carrying case. Top reviews from the United States. Really nice toolkit and case. When I picked up the package off the porch, I didn't expect the weight of this little toolkit, but when I opened it up I was really impressed with the build quality of this versatile little multi-tool. I mention that it is a little weighty, that's because it's made of better material and a little larger than some that I have seen, but that's okay with me because it means I can put more leverage behind this kit if I have to. I also like the case that came with it. Though a little snug, it has a nice brush finish to the tough plastic body. I did notice however the anodized finish on the red-black sides that holds the kit together have a very thin layer of coating and is already chipped. But that aside, I think this little multi-toolkit is going to work out fine. Pros. Well made, large enough to get my hand around yet small enough to carry in my bike bag. Nice little case to keep it clean and dry. Cons. Cheap anodized finish, heavier than expected. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase of this multi-tool kit.